Hey guys, welcome to you on Delhi IAS. Friends, today is day 47 of my preparation and my target, that is UPSC CSE 2024, is on 26th of May and days are remaining. Only 322 days are remaining. Okay, so let us see what will be my today's target. Today's schedule to achieve my goal, that is UPSC CSE 2024. And so without any delay, so friend, today is 9th of July, but before today's schedule, let us see yesterday's target, how much I have achieved yesterday's target. Okay, so yesterday, this was my schedule, yesterday was 8th of July. So from 9 to 10 I did technique revision, yes I did it successfully. And then from 11 to 12 goal setting, no I didn't did this. Similarly I was not able to achieve this thing. I didn't complete this thing also, revision 4 and 5. So basically yesterday like similar day before yesterday, I was not able to achieve my these targets. There were many reasons. After analyzing, I found out that there were many reasons, and so today I will try to improve on that. Okay, so but today I will do actionable targets to achieve my this to reduce my these things. Okay, so one of the thing is as you can see, yesterday I achieved only nearly 7% of my daily target, which is very less, which is not suitable to achieve my target. So today I will take that there should be no mobile in my phone, no mobile in my room. Okay, no mobile phone in my room. So let us see tomorrow what will be my today's how much I will achieve my today's target. Okay, so this is my today's target because I didn't achieve my yesterday's target, so my today's target will be almost similar. First I will do from 9 to 10 I will do techniques revision, then from 11 to 12 I will do goal setting, I mean long term, mid term and short term goal, then 1 to 2 p.m. also goal setting, then 3 to 5 I will do revision 4 and 5 of all things which I studied during last 1 month, and then from 6 to 8 also revision 4 and 5 of whatever I have studied during last month. 9 to 10, if something is remaining then I will do that thing, and from 10 to 11 I will do self reflection and analysis. Okay friends, by this my daily schedule and my daily progress report, it creates a accountability in me towards you. Okay, accountability towards you and towards myself also. It gives me a self reflection and awareness. It is like a mirror in which I can see my daily progress, and I can improve if I am deviating at any point of my journey. So please subscribe the channel, it gives me more motivation for study, and I will try to improve my target. So this was my today's schedule, hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel.